Hey Timmy, who is the Chancellor of Germany?
Alright, it's Angela Merkel.
What's the diameter of the moon?
Alright, it's about 2,159 miles.
Boom, boom, boom.
Shake the room.
Where is Chuck Norris?
You can't find Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris finds you.
My name is Anigo Montoya.
You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Who let the dogs out?
Who?
What do you think about robots?
I think that robots can help humans and give them more time to do what they really want.
Can you do washing and ironing?
I leave the cleaning to other robots.
Play me a lullaby.
Here's what I could find.
All the time I was sure you were
Hey Timmy, do you want to date me?
I can't date my boss. Let's keep it professional.
Where do we go when we die?
My programmers told me that all robots go to robot heaven.
Can you do a backflip?
No, I am a personal robot, not Nadia Comaneci.
What's the weather in New York?
Here is the weather in New York.
Show me sport news.
Clayton Kershaw was even hotter than the record
Hey, Timmy.
World Series temperature.
Next page.
How Justin Turner.
I'm home.
Welcome home.
I'm leaving.
Goodbye.